Hi friends and welcome to my channel. So before I start the tutorial, I want to say thank you so much for all your support because you keep this channel going, and with your support I want to continue with Daniel Pintado Game Development Studio to help small developers to create their game in the easiest and cheapest way possible, helping to provide you with asset, animation, blueprint, and also my personal help absolutely for free. Also how to get grants from, for example, Epic and Kickstarter, or even how to publish your game in different platforms like Steam, Epic, etc. And you will not have to give me credit, commission, or anything. So there will be some guidelines to follow for the order or the project to help. You only have to enter to my YouTube channel, subscribe to my channel, and in the upper right corner and click in the link, or in the description of this video you will have the link. At the end of this page you will have question and answer already answered by me about the YouTube channel and the project, and I will be updating this page with new and content, so stay tuned. So if you want to help me with this project, you only have to enter in my Ko-fi page and donate the amount you want, or you can be a member for exclusive content and support. You can also hire me as a freelancer to advance more faster, or if you want, I can create a complete game for you. I will be updating this membership with new exclusive content and more stuff. And if you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So if you need help in your project, or maybe you need help in the tutorial, or the tutorial is not working for you, or you have a request video or something, you can talk with me in the Discord. So thank you for watching, and let's start the tutorial. Okay, so I am here with another tutorial of GTA. So I know they take me a long time to make this video, but I am really busy making video game and also create my own video game. So soon I hope to have some news about that, but for now I'm really busy. But I have a little time now, so I wanna make this video because they request me a lot to make these new parts. So let's do it. So in this part I'm gonna do a few things. All depend on the time they take me to do it, but we want to at least do two things. They're gonna be the weapon system, so they're gonna be the disappear when you enter in the car, because right now is not. So, and also we want to make the animation to enter and exit the car. So first we want to move this stuff here. I don't know why I'm here, because there's the crosshair. We want to put these two UIs, and also this back animation, we want these two animation, so that way we have everything more organized. So the first things are gonna be, well, let's show you first this animation. These animations are from Mixamo, I believe, so this is absolutely free. Also I'm gonna give you a link in the comments how you can retard this animation, or maybe I wanna put this in the folder so that I can give you for free, but it's the same. You can do it from the Mixamo, and also I'm gonna give you a link with the plugin they have to convert this animation absolutely easy and free. So they're gonna be great if you use it Unreal Engine skeleton. So okay, so they're gonna be this for driving. That is really a basic one, but they're the best we can find for free. And also they're gonna be in here for inside the car, and this one they're gonna be to enter for the car, and we want to use the same animation to doing the exit the car, but we want to reverse it. Okay, so let's do that. So first let's do the weapon, because it's the more easy to do, because right now if you go play, let me get the gamepad. So if I pick up the weapon, I have the weapon, also I can put it in the back, that's cool. But when I want to enter in the car, they still have that weapon there. So we want to disappear that weapon because we are not there, so supposed to be inside the car. So let's do that. So let's close this. So for doing that we need to go to GTA. I remember it's gonna be character, yes, so gonna be DB main blueprint, and here we have in event graph the unpossessed. So we want to do the same thing, but we want to set visibility to this. From this one we want to from the mesh of the weapon. So to get the mesh of the weapon, we need to right click, you got get weapon mesh. If you don't know from where they're coming from, because we don't have it here, so this coming from DP character blueprint. So if you open this, this is the main pattern. Remember, we have in here when we equip the weapon, we have this weapon mesh here, because when we equip it, we pass the mesh from the weapon to here. So we set it in a blueprint. That's why we have this weapon mesh. If you don't, you have to see the video how to keep the weapon in these tutorials, because you need this weapon mesh. Okay, so we have that one. So let's go to DP man blueprint. And from this, we want to do a few things. So we're gonna be right click, convert to validate get. So that way, if we don't have equip the weapon, we still want to do this. So let's go in here. So let's do it like that. And also let's copy and paste, so it's more easy. We put it right back to here. And also we want to do the same thing with this, so let's copy and paste. We put it right here. So if it's valid, I want to valid here. Is it valid? I want to go here. The mesh we want is this, but this sync component. It's gonna be here. Here we want to do the same. New visibility is false, new visibility is true. So if we possess the player, we want to see the weapon. If we don't, so we don't want to see it. Okay, so let's compile and save. So let's test it. So let's go play. So if you go to weapon, so I pick it up, no matter what I have it, I hope. So if I go inside, now we don't see the weapon. That's great. And also if I go up, I have the weapon. If I go in the back, they're supposed to disappear anyway. So that's perfect. So that's working. So one thing less. So let's do another thing. Let's do the animation to enter and exit the car. So let's do the enter the car. So for doing that, we want to understand first where to get there, how to get there. So we want to go to TP character blueprint. So we enter, and here we have something called enter and exit vehicle. So if you go inside, so when you press the button enter as a vehicle, so you're checking if you are close or you are overlapping a BP vehicle. If you do, they call this. If they have implemented the interface, if they does, we can enter the car. So we're calling this enter vehicle. So this one we can call it for each or whatever blueprint we want. So we want to go to that blueprint. So they're gonna be GTA car system. Go to vehicle BP vehicle, and here we have class settings. So we have it in here, main interface. So if we have main interface, that means we call it. So we call it from here, enter vehicle. So this one is the same like this one. So now we have where they calling the enter vehicle. So we are doing the checking here first. So if we are inside the vehicle, if it's true, we want to go out. So if we are not inside the car, we want to play the montage to enter the car. So we want to play here the animation. So first we need to make some room here, because we want to do the animation before they possess the player, because we don't want to see, we want to see the player moving toward the car. So for doing that, let's move all this stuff. Also all this stuff, this is a little mess. We have to clean this stuff later. So okay, so let's put this in here, and also let's move these guys to there for whatever. Okay. Sorry. So let's do that. So from here we want to call the animation. From doing that, we want to create first a montage. So let's go to where I have it, the GTA. Yes, so we have enter. So right click and go to create animation montage. I'm gonna leave it the same name, for me it's okay. So let's go. If you go inside, you can see we have the same animation, perfectly fine. And also we can change the speed or whatever we want, but right now I wanna leave it like that. So, and also we want to check how long it is, so we can see they take 2 seconds and 17 part of the car. So to doing this, okay, so let's leave it like that so we can check this out. Okay, so from here we want to, if it's false, so we means we go to enter the car. So let's go and call play montage. And also we have this, so they asking for a montage to play, so let's paste in here. If you don't, you open here, you select the montage you want. I only have one, so that's really easy. And also they're asking for what skeleton mesh component we want. So that means the skeleton mesh from the character, so the where I can get this. So we have in here and the vehicle we have the DP character blueprint. So from here let's drag this, it would get mesh. We only need one mesh, the main one, so they're gonna be the head, but it doesn't matter because it's the main mesh. So that one, go connect this to here, and also we want to go all the way to here, but we have here a few options from here. So we want to be incomplete, so that means when they finish the animation we want to possess the card, but I want to do it before to the end completely the animation, because sometimes they take a few more steps doing nothing. So I want to right away start the car, I can move it. So we want to modify this a little bit. Okay, so for doing that, let's do, for now, let's disconnect this because I don't need it. So let's see how they look. So if you compile and save, you go play. If let me get the gamepad, so if I go to the car, I press play, you can see the animation is working, but they don't move correctly, they're doing something weird. So we want to change this. That also this animation, they're not really that great, so they never gonna look perfect. So we want to fix this. So first we want to make the character move to some place we want. So for doing that, we want to check, we want to move the capsule component, because the capsule component from the character is inside to everything. So this is the main one, is the other one, it uses a child from this guy. So we have the arrow, mesh, camera boom, and also follow camera. So we need the camera component. So doing that, let's go to VP vehicle. So from here, let's go to character player again. So let's get capsule component. They're supposed to be in the end, like always, like that. So we want to do this when they play the montage. So let's move this in here. They look bad. We want to adjust this later. So from here, let's go and call move component 2. So they're gonna be this one. So when they start animation, there is this one. So we want to do it here. So that means, let's move this more. We're gonna need a lot of room here. Okay, so let's do it here. So we want to move it how long we want it. Okay, so let's set something like 1 second. They want to be the half of the animation. So let's compile and oops, what do you do? Okay, I compile, save, and enter montage. Let's put it out. I don't need it. So if you go this, they're gonna move from 1 second from that place to another. So they're asking where. So we want to know where we want to put the character. So in this case, I want to be inside the car. So inside the cars, so I'm gonna need a reference here. So let's create something here. So let's go here. You choose whatever you like. I wanna use a scene because they don't use for nothing right now. So yeah, also they don't have nothing to move anything. So I wanna leave it like that. So this scene, I wanna call it, how I call it, player inside. I don't know, you can call it like you like it. So I want to be play inside for me. Okay, so we have it selected and we want to know where. So let's put something like, let's go to 1. So let's also this do 2. So there's more slow, more smoothly to move this stuff. Okay, so we have the interior, so we want to be something like this maybe, and also something like that. I don't know, we want to change this later. So we want to be something in the middle. No, it's not. So something like that. Let's see the wheel. Yes, exactly. I mean, exactly in the middle, more or less. So we want to go there. So we want to compile, go to event graph. So now we have the reference here. So we want to get this player inside. And I want to show you something here. So if you're using when they're asking here, target relative location. So if I go here, it said get relative location, and I connect this to here, they doesn't work. Let's see why. So let's compile, save, then go play. If you go enter it, oops, and then the car, you can see they go whatever they want. So they have a issue because they don't look in really the relative location of the blueprint. I don't know exactly why, but it's not. So like they don't looking for that. So we need to know the player inside. So that means this scenes component. We want to know where it is in the game. So exactly where. So we want to from here. Let's get world location, so we know where it is in the world, so in your map. So let's delete this and let's connect this to this. That's weird because this the world location is not relative location, but the relative location where you're going to go. So that's why the name is confusing, but it's really that one. So it's relative where you want to go. So from here, so let's move like this, something more clean. I don't know. So let's go play, save, and when this is complete, now I want to possess the car. So let's connect this to here. Okay, yeah, that's okay. I'll fix this later. So let's see how they look. So let's compile and save. Let's go play. So now, and also I want to go to first person later, but that's another video. So let's go here, let's go play, and you can see we now inside the car. So now we have the animation, it go inside. So let's go, oops, let's go to outside the car now. So let's do the get out the car. So to do the exit the vehicle, we want to do it the opposite way we do in the enter the vehicle, of course. So let's do that. So we want to first, let's duplicate this because better, it's more easy to do this way. And let's gonna call this out. I don't know, I'm very bad with names. So in out, let's go inside. We can see we go inside the car. So we want to go to the race scale and let's do it opposite. So -1. So let's go -1. So that means we're doing opposite. So we're going to the back, to the forward, to the back. Well, from the 2 seconds and a half, something like that, go to 0. So we go in reverse. That's the best way to, the best word to say that. Okay, so reverse. So let's save this. So let's go out and here right click, create a montage, and we want to out montage. So let's save it and let's say everything better, and let's go again to the car system. So car system, VP, vehicle, and here we want to do the same thing but with a few difference. Okay, so we want to do the play montage. So let's copy and paste. Let's put something like this. We need to fix this but later. So let's go to mesh, let's connect this to here. If it's true, so we're gonna be out, so gonna be play here. Play rate we can change it here we want, but I do it the opposite, so we'll do it like that. Here we want to possess the character exactly when they start the play montage. Why? Because we are possessing the car. So if we are possessing the car, we don't do nothing at all. So we're doing the car, they're not doing nothing because you play the montage from the skeleton of the player, not from the car. So we want to see the player first. So let's go to from here. I don't know if you understand what I said because we are sometimes explain things, but that means when if we not select the player, we can see this animation. So we have to have the control all the character, not all the car. So I think it's better. So let's connect this to here. So after we possess this, so let's move this something like this, and let's move this guy. So after we possess our pawn again, so that means player. So we want to play them. Well, they playing already, but you can see it. And let's move our player again. So let's copy and paste, but this time to another location. So gonna be move the component they asking for. They're gonna be the capsula component. So now we can move this to here. Let's connect this to here. Okay, they mess again. So let's go. So this one now we don't need it because we don't need the player inside. So we're gonna need player outside. So we don't have the reference, I think, or maybe we are. So let's see. We have this. So I think I'm gonna use this one. Actually, it's not that bad, but I'm gonna use the left. I think I'm gonna use this one. So let's try it. So enter left. So let's go here. Let's go enter left. From here we want to do the same. So get world location, and let's connect this to here. Okay. So the time they're gonna be 1 second again. So incomplete. Let's go to inside vehicle false. I think we are done. So let's see. So compound save. Let's go play and let's test it. So let's go to vehicle. If I go inside, I go outside. Now we have, well, more or less. So we want to fix this. Okay. So we go here. Let me see if they see the animation really what they have to see. Because I don't know if they do it. No, they don't. So we have to change this. So because we have here entered mounted, I have my mistake here. So it's gonna be out mounted. Oops. So compound save. Let's do it again. So let's go play. Wow, very bad. A mistake there. Okay, so let's go play. So let's go enter, go out. Now that's better. Well, more or less, because this animation they don't really that great, but at least they're working. But it's better if you have better animation than this, because they don't look that great. But at least they work. You know how to work now this stuff, but you need a lot better animation than this. Okay, so that's gonna be it for this. So let's close this, and this needs to be a cleanup. Very bad. So let's do that. So let's go here. Let's collapse this. Set take damage. Very bad spelling. Damage. So let's put in here. So a lot better. Also, let's change this. Well, we can leave this alone. So let's go here, and this one, let's clean this stuff. So let's go this to here, this to something like that. It's not perfect, but well, that's better. So, and also let's collapse all this stuff. We can use both. No, let's collapse everything. Let's set enter and exit. I don't know. So ADN and exit. Okay, so let's go here. So let's move this guy to here. So let's go like this. So that's better. It's not perfect, but clean better. So that's gonna be it for this video. So if you like what you see and you can see more, so I wanna do more tutorials soon. So if you want to support me, you can go to my coffee page. If you want to talk with me directly, you can go to my Discord channel. So if you have question or you need help, so a tutorial or something like that, it's better for me to help you with the Discord. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So bye bye.